students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, when a free electric dipole placed in a non-uniform electric field, the dipole will experience both force or torque, force and not torque, only torque and not force, and neither torque or force. So let's see. So first of all, the uniform electric field looks like something this, right, where all the lines are straight. So let's make a non-uniform electric field. It will be like something like a random electric field line. So one line is going like this, other line going like this, other line going like this, other line going like this, and this will be our electric non-uniform electric field, correct? And dipole is placed in this kind of electric field. So let's place a dipole in this electric field. So this is our negative charge and this is our positive charge. Okay, so this is our minus q, this is our plus q. Okay, so let's suppose the electric field at this point, electric field is varying with x, is a variable electric field, that's why it's a non-uniform. So let's suppose electric field at this point is Ex. So electric field E as a function of x. So electric field at this point will be, let's suppose this is h distance. So electric field here will be E of x plus h, correct? So let's write the net force on the electric dipole. So F net. So due to negative charge will experience a force opposite to the electric field. So it will be Q times E of x. And positive charge will experience a force towards the electric field, which will be Q times E of x plus h. So this is in positive direction, this is negative direction. So F net will be equals to Q times E of x plus h minus times E of x, Q times E of x. So they are not equal. So F net is not equals to 0. Now let's try to write the torque about the center point. So this is our center point and this is our force and this is our R. So torque is R cross F. So this is inside the board. Similarly, for positive charge it is inside the board, and for negative charge again R cross F, it is again inside the board. So both the torque due to both the forces is adding. So net torque is also not equals to 0. So the force will experience both, the dipole will experience both force and torque because both are non-zero. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.